So this is the first time that I'm making a video like this. So I'm trying to show you how I turn my 5.1 surround sound system into basically a 7.1. So it all began with this. I have a couch that comes in with two built-in speakers, as you can see. And I end up buying the Logitech Z906 surround sound. As you can see here, it comes with like 5 speakers and 1 subwoofer. I had these speakers on my couch and I did not know how to use them. The way that I'm connecting my surround sound to my TV is via Bluetooth. I paid like $20 for this Logitech adapter, and that way I can connect my TV to the surround sound via Bluetooth. Now, I had an extra port, actually not an extra port, but I had the RCAs and I had the AV, the 3.5 millimeter jack in. And the way that I was connecting it to the subwoofer from the Bluetooth adapter is using the RCAs. So I had the jack open for the audio jack. So my couch has the option to be connected via Bluetooth, auxiliary, or USB. So I just was trying to figure out if it was gonna work, and I bought a long enough cable to connect from the adapter to the couch itself to see if it was gonna work, and actually it did work really good. I'm gonna show you right now. As you can see, I have sound coming from all 7 speakers. It does sound so good. Like it's not even up because it's early over here, but it sounds way better. If you do not have a couch that has these built-in speakers, you can maybe use one of these portable speakers just to have like more sound coming. You can just locate the speaker whatever you want using the AV jack. From the adapter to here, and you can add an extra speaker to your surround sound. Hopefully this helped you guys out, and thanks for watching.